We at TCL decided to be very proactive in our program of machining technology. We knew that manufacturing was coming back into America, especially in states like South Carolina, where we have a higher than normal unemployment rate, and where actually labor costs are lower. They're going to come to these states, our state. So what we did to be very proactive is we went to manufacturing machine shops in the counties that TCL educates in. We went to the business owners of these machine shops and we asked them, what can we do for you? What can we educate or teach prospective new employees? And what can we help your existing employees learn? Almost to a T, they all said, when a new employee comes in, a prospective new employee comes in, we want them to be productive within 1 or 2 working days. Normally, some of them said it takes 2, 3, 4 weeks with their processes to actually be productive. And we want to drop that rate to 1 or 2 days. So in our machining technology, we came up with 3 core courses. The first one is methods of measurement, math, and safety in a machine shop. The second one is basic machine shop practices. And the third one is introduction to CNC. Now the first one, what we do is we teach the students how to measure parts, the math involved, using the instruments, and how to do things safely. So when they manufacture a part, they'll be able to measure it. They'll have the math skills in order to make sure that it's correct. The second basic machine shop practices, we're teaching the students how to use files correctly. So they can deburr the parts, how to use drill presses. How to use a pedestal grinder in order to grind drills. That way we can teach them a basic tool geometry, so when they're running machine tools and there's a breakdown on tooling, they can have a pretty accurate understanding of what went wrong. In their introduction to CNC, we're actually going to have them program a part with our simulators and then run them on the CNCs. We would like to make sure that when that individual, that new employee, is running a CNC machine and he looks on that screen, he knows what's going on. He's got a good idea that the machine's going to move this way or do this or do that. The whole thing is to make sure that when new employees or employees that are working at these shops, when they come to our classes, that they will walk out being more productive individuals. They'll be able to walk into a situation and be as productive as they can for their employers. That's what we're doing at TCL, and it's working.